Welcome to our YouTube video on the introduction to YouTube automation. If you're interested in building a successful YouTube channel without showing your face, then you're in the right place. This video will provide an overview of YouTube automation, the benefits it offers, and how you can leverage this powerful tool to create a cash cow channel in 2023 and beyond. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced YouTuber, this tutorial is packed with practical tips and actionable steps to help you achieve your goals. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the exciting world of YouTube automation. YouTube automation offers numerous benefits for those who want to build a successful YouTube channel. One of the main benefits is scalability. With automation tools, you can create, upload, and schedule multiple videos in advance, allowing you to create content consistently without spending all your time on it. Another benefit is efficiency, as automation allows you to streamline your workflow, automate repetitive tasks, and focus on content creation and strategy. Additionally, YouTube automation is cost-effective, as you can use free or low-cost tools and resources to create high-quality videos and reach a wider audience. Ultimately, YouTube automation can help you achieve financial freedom by building a sustainable and profitable cash cow channel without the need to constantly show your face or spend all your time creating content. Starting a faceless, automated YouTube channel requires a systematic approach, and this segment will provide a step-by-step guide on how to get started. First, you need to select a niche that aligns with your interests and has high search volume. Then, you need to create content that provides value to your target audience while aligning with YouTube's community guidelines. Next, you need to conduct thorough keyword research to optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags for maximum visibility. Finally, you need to optimize your videos for better engagement, including adding end screens and call to actions. This segment will provide a comprehensive guide that covers these critical steps in detail. If you're interested in creating a faceless YouTube channel, there are plenty of ideas for content that can be produced. For example, you can create product reviews, unboxings, and comparisons of various products in a particular niche. Another idea is to produce tutorials or how-to videos that teach viewers a particular skill or technique. Creating top 10 lists, ranking videos or products, or even creating entertaining skits can also be a great way to engage your audience. Whatever the niche or topic of your channel, the video will provide a variety of ideas and inspiration for creating engaging and interesting content for your viewers. To showcase the potential benefits of YouTube automation, this segment will provide real-life examples of successful faceless YouTube channels that have leveraged automation to drive significant growth. The video will highlight some of the most popular automated channels and their success stories, including how they've managed to generate a substantial following, increase their views and subscribers, and generate significant revenue. By demonstrating these results, the video will show viewers that with the right strategies and tactics, it's possible to build a thriving automated YouTube channel and achieve financial success in 2023 and beyond. In this segment, the video will discuss the future of YouTube automation and the potential opportunities that it presents. It will cover trends such as the rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning, as well as the growing importance of niche and micro-influencer marketing. The video will provide insights into how these trends will impact the automation process, content creation, and channel growth. It will also offer tips on how to stay ahead of the curve and adapt to changing trends in order to continue to succeed with YouTube automation in the years to come. To provide tips for beginners on YouTube automation, the video can cover a few key areas. Firstly, it can emphasize the importance of researching and understanding your niche before starting. It's crucial to identify a profitable and sustainable niche with an engaged audience. Secondly, it can suggest that beginners should focus on creating high-quality content that solves problems, entertains, or educates their target audience. Thirdly, it can highlight the importance of optimizing videos with relevant keywords, titles, descriptions, and tags to increase visibility and discoverability on the platform. Finally, it can advise beginners to remain consistent with their content and approach, to stay motivated and keep growing their channel. The conclusion and next steps segment of the YouTube video will summarize the key points discussed in the video and highlight the benefits of YouTube automation for building a successful, cash-generating channel. The video will encourage viewers to take action and start their YouTube automation journey by providing actionable steps and tips on how to get started. Additionally, the video will provide information on how to access additional resources and support, such as online courses, communities, and coaching programs. Finally, the video will emphasize the importance of consistency, patience, and experimentation in achieving success with YouTube automation, and invite viewers to share their progress and results in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below in the comments section. I would love to hear from you, and I'll do my best to respond to as many comments as possible. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when I upload new videos, and it also helps support my channel. Thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.